Hello everyone, this is High Tech Talk. So in this video I will tell you how to get gesture challenge filter on Instagram. So for this basically you need to search for a creator profile. So this is a creator that you need to search it, and I will also add the username in my video description. You can get it from there. So you need to click on this emoji icon here, and you will see the gesture challenge filter. So just click on this one. So here if you want to save this filter to your Instagram filter list, then you can click on this one. So as you can see this challenge filter how it's work. So if you want to try it, you can click on try it, so you can use this filter. So for now I'm in bed, so I will be not able to use this filter, so you can try it and enjoy it. So thanks for watching this video, and if you find this video useful, please like, share, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.